This is the main gate of our school. Main gate of our school. That building is kindergarten 1.
Oh, Ross.
Kindergarten 2. The school canteen of high school. Over there is school canteen of elementary. This is the Buddha near the gate. Near the gate. Uwian na po ngayon. It's time to go home. Yan po. Over there is our house. That is our house. 4 na kwarto sa taas. Tapos kitchen and toilet sa baba po. Yes. Yan. Carney teacher. Not Carney teacher nam. Goodbye. Okay, going home. Going home. Going home. This is Wat Nung Sky School. Wat Nung Sky School. Wat Nung Sky School. Teacher is going home. The advisor of kindergarten 2. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Hello? Hello? Bye-bye. Goodbye. Yan yung mga naghihintay.